Hello again. It's a little bit windy today, so hopefully it doesn't pick up on the mic. So again, another package. Customs kind of put over the label, so I'm assuming it's from China. And these are little guys, 99 cents each. They're about 1 inch, pretty small. Again, description has more details, including the seller, if you want more information, or buy one for yourself. Looks pretty nice, pretty cute, transparent. I see 2 ball bearings, one in front of the hook and one behind it. Rattles a little bit, and there's a second one, different color. Let's try to open it. Remind me to bring out scissors next time. It would make it a lot easier to open. There we go. Sorry, but so this one's a bluish one. The other one was kind of orange. Looks pretty nice. Well, 99 cents each, free shipping. Not complaining about these ones. The eyes are kind of orange on the, well, green on this one, and normal sticker ones on the other one. All my plastic is flying everywhere. Okay.